Kia ora tātou. Coming to you from pretty close to Mawhero, Kawatiri, the Te o Pautini. It is the west coast in Greymouth. I'm out on the road and come across this particular plant here. It's a bit of a science session for today's wānanga. The name of this plant in Māori is rārahu or rahurahu. A lot of you will have heard of aruhe in whakatauki. Well, aruhe is the root of this plant here, and this was the plant that was used for carbohydrate for Māori when we travelled. The whakapapa for this one is quite interesting. It comes down to haumia tiketike to rārahu, to aruhe, which is the root system down there, and then to monehu, which are the spores that come off this part of the plant here. And from the spores we get taitanga pēpeke, which are insects. Why this is interesting to us in the physical activity form is that from that line there we can use haumia tiketike as the starting point for different exercises that follow the form of different insects, such as whē or rotane, which is the stick insect, which has an opportunity for improving core strength when we follow the movements of whē. So a whole range of physical activity opportunities come out of following the movements of taitanga pēpeke or insects, but also from manu. Earlier there was some tiwaiwaka floating around up here, and their tail movements reminded me of a maurako movement where the taiaha is held behind the head and flickers back and forwards. So we have insects, we have manu, and the third form of kaitiakitanga that we follow as Māori are connected to the ocean and following different forms of marine life that we see out there. Just really quickly, that particular plant there is called hoeke or horeke in some places. This particular plant in Pākehā they call it lancewood. See the shape of the leaf, it changes as it gets into the adult stage and spreads out and loses its spikes, but in its juvenile stage it's got that shape there apparently because more used to eat them, so it changed its shape to stop being eaten. The other interesting thing about them is they grow straight and strong, so they were used for bird spears, so that they were when they got up to the 5-8 meter length, they could take all the parts off the outside of the leaves and use them for spearing birds up in the high parts of the tree canopy. That's enough for today. Tomorrow I'll be coming to you from Greymouth, and I'll be showing you a number of different pounamu that we can find over there. Kia ora.